I am introducing my new Etsy shop, and it's called So Fabulous Bath. I have been experimenting with different bath ideas for my back, and I found these 6 bath essentials that you see now that have helped with the stress and the tension and the sore back. And I wanted to bring it to my YouTube Fabulous family first. I have a $2 sale going on with the promo code Fabulous Family. So if you order between now and January 1st, you will get additional $2 off. All the information is on my Etsy store, and I hope you support Black and woman-owned small businesses. So take a look at my brief promo video, and I will see y'all over on Etsy.